Hello everyone. So we are here to share our project. So I'm Sridevi with our teammates Soundarya and Sandhya under the guidance of Mrs. Lavanya. So our now just review through our project. So our project is all about a multimodal content about conversational agent for emotion recognition and adaptive stress management. So the overall basic concept of project is all about this is a multimodal content of a conversational agent for the emotion recognition and adaptive stress management. So which will be all maintained by the intelligent system in which we can able to detect and respond how the humans are going through their emotions. So this systems also applies a natural language processing system which has been used in the real scenario of the current world to analyze the vision techniques of analyzing face expressions captured through the video that we are included in the project. So also it can able to base the detected emotions through whether they are going under stress, whether they are going under the emotions and everything. So through and also it could able to suggest you with the exercises like breathing exercises, meditation guidance, motivational suggestion through the emotion detected output. So at last we can just review through how why does we are just creating these projects. So in the today fast paced world, the stress and emotions are the peak thing which every humans are going under through. So for this increasing common mistake, so what we are doing is we are maintaining the mental health support essential for the persons, so they whether they are going under stress or emotions such that. So the traditional conversion system, what it will do is it will just only rely on the text based thing, not based on the video based. So if you are just only making which is a text based, the AI chatbot it cannot able to easily recognize like whether they are validly stressed or not. So for that, we are adding the extra features of the video based thing. So through the text and through the video, it could able to easily recognize how the person was going through. So whether they are in stress, whether they are unhappy, and through that it could able to give the suggestion for them. For also already we have seen through like breathing exercises, meditations, and everything. So our project always focuses on developing an AI based conversational agent, which is a chatbot, and which leverages the textual and the visual data which deliver the more effective content aware and the meaningful responses. So why we have created this? So the main objective is like it could able to develop a conversational agent which is also capable of analyzing the emotions through the text and the video inputs. So it mainly collaborate to the natural language processing system through the facial recognition technique, so which enhances the overall accuracy of the project. So in the existing methodology that we have taken from the IEEE format, it has only the text based thing, so it could not able to analyze the accuracy of 100%. But now, as of now, in the proposed technology, we have added the video technology so that it could able to easily detect the emotion through a 98% accuracy. So this is the features that we have added in the technology. And this would be a flow diagram. So we are doing in this flow diagram is we are collecting the multimodal inputs, and through the multimodal input the data are being processed, the data such as the text and audio video based data are being processed. And next what it has been do was like doing all this pre-processing state would be done. So after the pre-processing state, the data would be collected and just also it just going through the process of pre-processing. So the raw data and the unwanted data will be cleared, and the only needed data which will be used for capable for this model would be taken. So after that, what the process it will be going with content understanding and state management. So in the content understanding and state management, the data that we have collected through the text and to the video, in which the AI chatbot will give you some suggestions like doing breathing exercises or meditations or something else. Like it will, the AI chatbot will give you for the relieving of your emotions. So at last, the response generation and personalizations will be always calculated by this AI. And the requirements that we are used to build this project would be the front end and the back end. For the front end, we have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and for the back end, we have used Python and Flask and OpenCV, TensorFlow, NLP, which will be most commonly used in everything. Like it is a natural language processing system. And like the four modules that we have done, so which already we have stated in the flow diagram, like the input collection, the pre-processing module, and the emotion detection module, and the content awareness engine, so which we have been elaborately seen in the flow diagram. So at last it will be the output. The front screen of the output will be in the welcome state dashboard. So here we have to enter the serenity, like what are the inputs or what are the emotions that we are going through in the text space. So here you have to enter your text, and if you are giving the detect emotion, it will be giving you as of how your emotion is going until at that time. So the conclusion of the project is, if you are just stating, it will be taking the verbal and non-verbal analysis of how you are giving your data, and it will provide you how you are just going inside your heart, like the emotion is whether it is sad, good or bad. So this is the overall concept of our project, and thank you for watching our project.